My return journey to India included a layover at Miami for a couple of days, so I decided to step out for a bit and check out the beaches. Public beaches were the best option, being really cheap and empty. One of the things that I really enjoyed watching was the availability of cycles everywhere and people from all ages cycling around by the beach. So the funny part is, wherever I seem to go, somehow I managed to find the most challenging or fun terrain to kind of get around. I'm at the south point of Miami Beach, just probably where you see half the movies in Hollywood being shot on the beach, or at least that's what I think it is. There's a nice beach walk, there's a nice ramp they built over there, and I choose to walk on. Yeah, I guess you find you want to have fun wherever you go. That's the best part about life. Man, I need to stop saying these cheesy lines. Take that last bit out of the edit. There's a voice in my head going, "Neil, you're right by the beach. What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you walking away?" But then there's that Pride festival that's happening, and something really unique and something really different. You don't get to see that too often or even experience that. It's a different culture, it's a different vibe, and now I'm just gonna walk up and see where I can probably spot this festival. They actually have an outdoor gym right by the beach. So lots of scandalous moments later, I decided to get out of that place. Not like I didn't want to join the festivities, but I do want to head back home, and everyone there has either no clothing or no mask on. And my friend said, Florida, the COVID cases are rising like crazy. So just to be on the safe side and to make sure that I do get home, I decided to just have a look, not really get in and do anything over there. Enjoy the views, of course, celebrate the Pride moment, and have a relaxed time by the beach. So that's what I'm doing.